Okay, these are some of my rockets and rocket launches, and I'm going to show you how some of them went in normal and in slow motion. So this is my first one, and here it's going to be in normal. So at about 40 psi, it launches at about 150 feet. Now in slow motion. And there it goes. The next one I set up at an angle shooting over a cliff which went down to the beach. And we tried to see if we can make it hit the water. But it never did, but went quite far. One more time. And now in slow motion. Okay, the next one is the exact same thing, except the view is different. It's from someone else's head on with a GoPro. So let's take a look at that. Went quite fast, as you can see, straight up like that. One more time. And now in slow motion. The next one I held kind of like a gun, as you can see. And I'll show you that one more time. And some slow motion shots with pictures and all that. So in slow motion, you can really see it thrusting away. That went about 150, 200 feet. And I think that was about 50 to 60 psi. Not too high pressure. But that was just because I couldn't pump it that much. And there it goes. This was also from GoPro. Okay. This is the same one, just in slow pictures. There. And then it finishes its flight. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you might want to check out my how-to video called How to Make a Mini Bottle Rocket. Thank you.